In the field, time is money. And nothing wastes more time of it than missing tools, lost equipment, or not knowing who's got what. Manual tracking with spreadsheets and paper logs leads to costly mistakes and inconsistent data. Lack of visibility into location, custody, and status across job sites, vehicles, and your tool crib makes it difficult to manage assets. Without regular maintenance, you run the risk of equipment failures or critical tools being out of commission when they are needed. These common challenges highlight the need for a more efficient tool management solution. Introducing Panatracker ST. Panatracker ST solves these problems by delivering a flexible tracking solution that will help you take control of your assets and save you time and money. With a mobile-first design, your team can easily keep the location and status of your tools up to date and gain the visibility they need with real-time access from anywhere. As you can see in this demo of the checkout transaction using the mobile app, the steps are easy and efficient. Scan each tool's asset tag with the integrated barcode scanner or the device's camera. Review the items scanned. Then obtain a signature capture and submit the checkout. It's that easy. Checkout management is one of several key features of the system. Field transfers can easily be recorded. Complete check-ins upon return to the tool crib. Set up maintenance schedules and complete maintenance activities using customized forms and checklists. Seamlessly track consumables, parts, and supplies. Save your organization time and money by taking control of the what, the where, and the who for your tools and equipment assets. Contact us today to schedule a time to review your specific tracking challenges and learn more how Panatracker ST can give you control over your tool and equipment assets.